Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Sorry, just noticed that red line there, which kind of threw me off for a second. And usually I don't put if you're new to my videos, usually I don't put the annotations on there right away. And as you can see, I threw myself off, but that's all right. So let's first just start by talking about levels of resistance. And that first key level is nothing fancy, nothing complicated other than the fact of the party finally stopped today right up there at $3.45. So 345 is going to be that key level going forward as far as resistance levels. In the event the price can push up through there, though, let's see. So out of curiosity, are we looking at, and yes, I'm talking to myself right now, looking like just essentially a blue sky breakout at that point. Yeah, so these lines were from a previous time I did video, so I'm going to just get rid of those for now. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, as you saw right there, maybe the price has been up higher than 345 at some point. I'm sure it has. But as far as the recent past history over the past few months, you can see this is as high as it's been. So that's why I would consider 345, a blue sky breakout point. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, the ideal level of support going forward, and we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above 330. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below 330 that I'm saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above the 330 mark, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the move is just, and that's what I'm defining as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 330 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So very nice movement today. Great way to start off the week. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.